No.
The gods are wise. Their ways is not our way. They know the best. I didn't get you. I can eat you have one.
No.
I know why you're so. I buy a gym. We have mourned enough. We can't continue to mourn forever. I had a meeting with SMO last time, and they complained bitterly that the gods are not happy over our next king. They are no longer at peace. So I summoned this meeting for us to put heads together and decide on who will be the next king. Oh no. No.
You are very correct. I have carefully thought about it myself. And I came to the conclusion that it's time we did the needful. Yeah? We need to do the right thing so that we don't incur the wrath of the gods. So you're very right.
My fellow elders, yes, we know the needful and the right time to do it. We kept quiet not because we don't know when to do the right thing, but because of the sudden death of our beloved brothers. Hi, may their souls rest in peace.
Between the two brothers' sons, who is the eldest?
Is he the question?
Then what are we waiting for? He should be informed immediately.
You're correct. Yes.
There's no time to waste.
I don't get it. My father was supposed to be crowned king. Unfortunately, he died before that. Am I not supposed to take the crown? What is going on? Is it that they want to maneuver it? No. No way. I think I'll travel. Yes, I have to travel and ask them some questions. No. Thank you for the color. Yes, I appreciate it. No. I came to see you because I need some clarification on something. No. Why can't I be crowned king? Why? My father was supposed to be the king after our great king passed on. And it was that way because our great king who moved on did not have a son. So naturally, it rested on my father. Unfortunately, my father passed on as well. But my father had a son, a rich son for that matter, who happens to be me. So normally I should take the crown. I mean, it shouldn't be contested anyway. What is going on? Is someone trying to twist it? What's happening?
No, Mbana. Nobody can twist the tradition of Ezioba. Mba.
So what's going on?
Let me break it down for you. Your father, who was supposed to be crowned a king, unfortunately died before he could be crowned. And that was why you were denied the kingship of Ezioba. Naturally, in Onora's family, it will go to the eldest, who is my girl.
Oh no. I've waited for this opportunity all my life. And I mean all my life. Because I always knew that one day our great king will move on. And it would rest on my father. And then my father would move on. And the kingship of this land would rest on me. Put yourself in my shoes, Onowu. What would you do?
Unfortunately, there is nothing anyone can do about it. Therefore, we have to accept it the way it is.
Raymond. Because I assessed it wasn't going to work in any way. But I told you, it was not possible. I never thought of that. There is no way you would think of it. That is why I'm the master player. There are things that I see, there are things I see that even if you climb the highest mountain, you will not see those things.
Well, there are some things that you can never learn in the classroom.
You see, in the classroom you learn your own. Me on the streets, I learn my own.
Street man.
Michael, I actually came back to the village today to see you. Yes. There's something I want us to discuss. Very important.
Okay, go on.
How will you feel if you see 20 million naira in your account now?
If I see 20 billion naira in my account.
20 million naira in your account.
How would I feel?
This minute.
Raymond, I can't tell you how I will feel if I see such amount in my account, But I think, in fact, I will scream so the whole community will hear my voice first. Then I will come out and make sure I scatter this community into bits with my money. But then,
Michael, you better start scattering the community right now. Eh? Don't scatter too much, don't hurt anybody. Because you're already 20 million naira richer.
Sorry, I don't get that. How do you mean I am already 20 million naira richer?
Good. I came prepared, Michael. A check of 20 million naira. All yours.
Raymond, is this a dream? I mean, please let me know so you can wake me up. Are we dreaming? Am I?
It's all yours.
You mean this 20 million naira check for me?
You're my brother, Michael. It's all yours.
I'm short of words. I don't know what to say. Yeah? I mean, I don't know if I should start laughing or I should start crying. I mean, hold on a second. Raymond, what is this money meant for?
Michael, I want you to leave the kingship of Ezioba Kingdom for me.
Ogaranya batego no sinachuku. Onye fela chamiaro cheta kwano munono gelini. Arabaka sana. Onye jiji kana kanyana chinwe. Ogaranya batego na wala onye kadalo. Onye kadalo. Onye kadalo. Onye kadalo. Onye kadalo. Onye kadalo. Mama me, mama me, mama me. Ogaranya cheta kwano sinachuku. Onye chile yisi no one. Maka no beroge no da kwa fialo. Igere be kumono wana. Ifa puko kwana no halo. Yo oh yo oh. Barara nari kwebu. Anafya kaba. Yo oh nari kwebu. Anazo kaba. Wanyo mero gamwenaba. Yo oh anya bagore badata. Okobero geketa anya gona waba. Hiya mama. Wana wakwa. Onye buru wane siya noe. Makano wana wakwa. Onye kadalo. Ego batana no wano bode kwalo. Onya kazano, inelia kazano. Akwamaki ego kiji mwere mpuro bigi. Nimo bigi, imangebe sobono. Akwamaki ego kiji lele conscience gi. Kitano wakwasuga anya vuna no nasano. Ya mama. Ebwa beru nina simu wako beru nina. Onya chani benyangwe. Dumbili ungaso no sade nuze nani onya chani benyokwe. Lele ane mesasi. Agalanya tatapwa no sinachuku. Mpako ane buali. Asingi tatapwa no sinachuku. Osina kalaka. Ifanya gabune no wanoka.
No, John Gube, this is the drink I brought for both of you. Not just that. Have this. The envelope is 400,000 naira. 200,000 for you, and 200,000 for you each year. Sine Elife. I got Elife.
Hey. Hey. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Before we go into Kolanot, I want you to tell us why you called this meeting.
No. I know the two men who have the strongest voices in the king's cabinet. I know the two men who are the most influential when it comes to matters of this kingdom. Those two men are seated before me. I'm here so we can talk about the kingship of this land. You see, I was here yesterday. You and I talked, Then I went home. I thought about everything we discussed. And I drew my own conclusion. I came up with my own decision. I want to sit on the throne of Ezioba Kingdom.
You want to sit on the throne of Ezioba?
Yes.
As in how? Were you told it is Azikiwe's NPP I was UPN, a political party.
I don't understand.
Omohase.
I know it's not political. But the right man for the job should be given the job. And I know that I am the most qualified person to be king of this land. Yes, we all know it. I do not want you to see this as a very difficult task or an impossible thing to do. Nothing on earth is impossible.
Oh yes. It is not a very difficult task. Neither is it impossible. But what we are talking about here is tradition. It is the tradition that will determine who sits on that throne or who doesn't.
I disagree. Tradition has nothing to do with this. Number one, Ono, you are the Prime Minister of this community.
Yes, you.
Anything you tell the people, they will believe it. And that's exactly what they will do. Two, tradition is like laws. Laws are made by men, created by the people, for the people. Those same laws can be adjusted at any time to suit the people. I do not mean to brag, but you know me. Everyone in this community knows my capacity. I'm a wealthy man. In fact, I've decided to erect 2 very mighty buildings. One for you, no, and the other one for you, Chionukube.
20 million naira. Should I accept it? What will people say? What will people say? As in, is it any person's business that you sold your rights? No. Do not accept it. Okay? Think of what people will say. Think of what your mother will say. Your wife. Your sister. And your born kids. Think of what they will say in the future. Nobody will say anything. In fact, anybody that talks, onye kwu okwu, egwelu m ego, mechia unu. Doka the check. Tear the check into pieces. Do not tear the check. 20 million naira is not 20,000 naira. It's a huge sum of money. Accept it. Accept it.
Hey, Michael.
Raymond. It's a good thing I met you.
What's up?
I'm fine, as you can see.
Good.
It's a good thing I met you.
Okay. Of course, you always beat me. Yeah, my brother. What's up?
I'm fine. Raymond, I came to tell you something.
Okay. Yeah. Shoot.
Here's your check.
What's wrong?
Actually, I thought about what you told me earlier. And I realized it would be very, very impossible for me to do that.
Michael, you are my brother. Think. You want to remain in poverty all your life? Huh? Or you think the 2 million I gave to you will solve all your problems in this country today? Come on, Michael. Okay, fine. I'll add 10 million there. Okay? I'll make it 30 million there. I can give it to you right now.
Raymond, so you have this kind of money?
Of course I have it. I'm a rich man. God has blessed me. And I want to bless you. I'll make you rich. Right now.
No. I can't sell my right.
And what makes you believe it's your right?
Tradition.
Before we further this discussion on the issue of kinship succession, I would want us to examine one thing critically before we make a mistake that will consume all of us. I want you people now to answer me this. Between Ibekwe's son and Ekweme's son, who is the rightful person to ascend the throne of Ezioba?
No, we can name him. Elders, in view of the question Ono asked, it is critical. Let us examine it very well before we fall into any mistake that will consume us.
What is complex and complicated or whatever? Oh no. I don't understand where these questions are coming from. Yes, because I can remember vividly that in our last meeting, we all agreed that Ibekwe's son is the eldest in the family. And as such, he is the one that's supposed to ascend the throne. So where are all these questions coming from?
There was no time, nowhere it was ever agreed or even discussed that it is Ibekwe's son. No!
Oh no! May the gods of our land forbid what you just said.
He said,
Oh no, what are you trying to achieve? What is going on? Eh? What is all this? Where is all this question coming from? We agreed on this meeting that Ibekwe's son is the next in line to climb this throne. So what are you trying to do now?
Naman, what we are trying to achieve is justice. It's very simple.
what justice? Look, if you understand the meaning of that word justice, we are not supposed to be arguing.
Okay. Oh no, please, I want you to explain to us why Ibekwe's son is no longer the one that is to climb this throne.
Good.
Explain to us. Olu.
Explain. All right. Let me explain. You know, our late brother, Ekweme, was supposed to be the king.
Yes.
But unfortunately, he died. If our late king had a son, would it have gone to Ekweme? Zanimia?
And so?
No.
And so explain.
Yeah. Now, Ekweme, who was supposed to be the king, had a son.
Oh no. Oh no,
That was before. Now, okay, don't tell me that. It was in those days.
Oh no, I disagree with your illustration. Let me take you on your words. You said Ekweme, who was supposed to be king, but he was never crowned the king.
Wow.
That alone disqualifies his son from mounting this throne. That is our tradition.
Okay, now. If you don't know what to say, don't come here to say anything proper. You come here to say
may the gods of this land punish you. May this land punish you. I know what that
the gods of this land has castrated you. My friend, you will die.
My friend, shut up! Shut up!
Is it two of you that is guiding up against me?
Michael, you are aware that your late father and I were very close friends. And I cannot see any good thing coming to this family. And somebody wants to take it away and I will fold my arms. I won't do it.
No.
Alright?
What is going on? I don't understand.
Onowu wants to deprive your son Michael from what he's rightfully entitled to. You know, with the death of his father and the uncle, he is supposed to take the crown as the eldest son. But Onowu is fighting tooth and nail to make sure that Michael does not get it. Yes.
Okay. Nayokoye, we are very much aware of what you just said. But what I don't understand is, how sure are you? I mean, how do you know that they are planning so hard to take my entitlement from me? When was this meeting held?
Well, the meeting was held today. And as you can see, I'm just from the meeting. I've not even gotten home.
Thank you for the information.
Welcome.
Nine, may the gods of our land protect you for standing on the side of the truth.
Amen.
Mama Chulu, was Raymond aware of this meeting?
I'm not too sure whether he's aware or not. But like I said, I will keep you posted. I will keep you posted of any development. Our elders said that it is a taboo for an elder to be at home and watch the goat give birth in tetas.
Nine, what do you suggest we do now?
Michael, you need to be fully prepared because the battle is not going to be easy. If they don't want to follow tradition, they will find any means to make sure that you don't get it.
How do you mean I have to be prepared?
You know you are single. And according to tradition, you must be married before you can be crowned. So you need to get married immediately. If not, they will use it against you.
Nayokoye, don't worry, leave that. See, just forget about that one. They can't deprive me. It's my right. Leave it.
No. Like I said, the gods of this land will continue to protect you and your family.
Amen.
For standing on the side of the truth.
Amen.
Thank you very much.
So now, I have to take my leave. Michael, like I said, think about it and get yourself prepared.
Raymond.
Actually, I came to tell you something. You see, I thought you were actually testing my faith when you issued me that check. Little did I know that you meant business.
Is that why you stopped me?
I stopped you to remind you something. Raymond, I am not a dull person. I'm a graduate. I studied public administration in the University of Nigeria, Enugu campus. I am not an illiterate.
Michael, go straight to the point.
Good. let me advise you. Please, do not spend your money on this matter, okay? Because the battle you're about to start, Raymond, is a lost battle already.
My friend, stop there. You don't walk out. I'm going to take that throne. I will be your king. And there's nothing anybody, not even you, can do about it.
Let's see then. Raymond, let's see. I have warned you.
That your son and Onowu are trying to maneuver the kingship and give it to your son? Hey, I don't have any idea about what you're saying right now. I know you will not know. Oh. I know. Please, if Raymond comes back, tell him that the kingship is traditional, so that he will not incur the wrath of the gods.
Madam Kichinye, how did you know about all this?
It's Michael. Michael told me. If you're doubting it, when Raymond returns, ask him.
No problem.
Nah,
Lolo, I came to see you to know if you are aware of that evil plot to take away that which belongs to me.
I am aware of it, but you have to calm down. I assure you that nothing of such will happen in this community. You have to calm down, son.
Lola, I am not soliciting for anybody's help. I can handle this myself. I can handle them one after the other myself.
Calm down, it's okay.
Ungo Shambiri na university, or Bruna my community. Lolo, please, tell Onowu to do the needful, or else the throne of Ezioba community will be empty till I die, and I made it from the depth of my heart.
You have to calm down, son. I promise to tell Onowu what you just said, but you have to calm down, okay? Careful.
No, thank God I met you. I was on my way to your house.
Was it why you are pointing at me? You're on your way to my house. What for?
To tell you to do the needful. Do the needful, Onowu. Do the needful. And to advise you to pick out the hand of the monkey from the soup before it turns into a human hand. I'm warning you.
Let me understand where you are driving at.
Stop pretending as if you don't know. See, let me tell you something. See this battle line that you're about to draw. By the time this community catches fire, you will use your 2 legs to run away from this community. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I've warned you. I have warned you. Since you don't want to respect yourself.
Watakili ya. Mubo no uwe aboso no boda. Ibo ochicha. Siku no ibo ochicha.
Now show us your husband.
Okay, Papa. That girl, Hey.
May the Almighty God, as I've prayed already before you go into this marriage, may you be fruitful and multiply. Yes, you give birth and may I see my children's children in this marriage. Yes. Now, Jesus Christ.
Hey! Oh! Now! Oh! Congratulations.
Mama, thank you.
My wife. Oh!
Where is Raymond? I want to see him. I want to see Raymond.
Are you mad? What is that supposed to mean? Didn't you see me here? Have you said good morning? You're asking me about Raymond. Go inside and carry him.
Ngozi, I'm not here to see you, please. I am here because of Raymond. I want to see him. Go and call him out.
You can say I don't have time. When you came, I was inside sleeping. I don't have your time.
Why would you have my time? I don't even expect you to have my time. Because you denied woefully that you are not aware of your son's evil plan with Onowu to maneuver the kingship. Now what is happening? What is happening? Hey! Ngozi Kokidi. Kokidi!
Onuwa, let me ask you. What makes you think your son is the rightful owner of that crown? Eh?
I will answer that question in due time. Meanwhile, I am here to see Raymond. Go and call him out. Call him out. I want to look at his face and ask him a few questions. Go and call him out.
You're lucky you didn't meet him at home.
Oh, he's not at home. No, I will come back. Don't worry. Since he's not around, I will come back.
I'm looking for Raymond. Go and carry him inside. Amusu.
Oh no. I want to request for me to be in the forthcoming meeting.
Why?
There's no reason. I just want to be present.
You know, it's against our culture. You are not supposed to be in the meeting of the council. Especially now you are mourning your husband, King. Unless you are summoned. Or are you summoning yourself?
No, please. I just want to be present.
No.
It's not done.
Please.
Raymond.
No.
I have an uncle with her.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Our joy was stolen by death. But thanks to the gods, we are gradually overcoming the job. We have to be strong in heart to move on and choose who our new king will be. The throne of Ezioba has been vacant since the death of our king. And the gods are beginning to react over it. Raymond, we called you because you are the rightful person to take the crown.
Hello?
Hello? Michael, where are you?
I'm at home.
Please, there's a cabinet meeting taking place right now as you speak. Yes. So, and your brother is here.
You mean Raymond?
Yes, he's here. So you need to come now. Be fast.
Okay. Thank you.
Be fast, too.
Thank you, no.
You lied. Oh no, I said you lied. How can you say such a thing? As far as Unora's family is concerned, I am the rightful person to take the crown.
Michael, who invited you to this meeting?
I invited myself.
Michael, calm down, Michael. Calm down. Oh no, what is going on?
Nche Namani, please do not ask me to calm down. Okay? Because you know the evil plot these evil men, especially this evil man sitting there, have for me. Look at you. So this is your plan?
I take exception to that. I beg your pardon.
You cannot have my pardon. What are you talking about?
Oh no. I am so surprised and disappointed at you. I mean, when did we have a meeting where we agreed that Raymond will be the king? Where? When? How? Before we continue this meeting, Michael has to leave.
Why? You hear me? It is you that will leave us because you are very deceitful. You are not an upright man. Raymond, you want to take my rights?
Which right? Which right? Get right in where we just pull everybody in. Really shut up, my friend. We're having a very serious meeting. Get out.
So this is your plan? Raymond, this is your plan?
Michael, even if you are the rightful person to take the crown, please give us some few minutes so that we discuss what we have in this cabinet meeting.
You still have the mouth to talk. You have the mouth to talk. Let me ask you a question. Are you a member of this cabinet? If not for the fact that my father died, will you be sitting here by now? You substitute.
Michael, are you really talking to me? Are you talking? Michael, did you hear what he said? I'm talking to you. Michael, just calm down.
Uncle, please don't ask me to calm down. Please don't, because I don't have respect for this man sitting there. This man is a very deceitful man. I'm telling you. If you don't have a hidden agenda, why do you want me to go outside? Why don't you want me to be part of this meeting?
Because you are not a member of the cabinet.
Is he a member of this cabinet?
Why are we wasting time? Oh no, we'll order the guards to send this boy out. Let's continue our meeting.
What are you waiting for? Why don't you ask the guards to throw me out yourself?
Michael, all the conway even a magnus. You see, waka.
It is you. Your head is not correct.
Oh no! Order the guards to take him out.
Why? Nobody is going out of this house. Oh no, you're here? And all this is going on? A prime minister of a kingdom. You are here, somebody is suggesting For Michael to be thrown out while Raymond is seated?
Oh yes, because you two, you are not supposed to be in this meeting. So go out.
I am not going anywhere. I am part of this meeting.
And I insist you go out.
And I said I'm not leaving.
You must go out.
No.
Tell her to leave.
No.
Then we cannot arrive at any meaningful conclusion in this meeting. Good, because they are not going anywhere.
No, what is going on?
This is wrong. A woman cannot back into our meeting. It is wrong. Let's call a spade a spade.
Oh no, we are causing all this problem.
Lolo just messed up the whole meeting. Telling you. No, just really talking nonsense. Messed up the whole meeting. I'm sure she was the one that invited that monkey, Michael, to the meeting.
Brother, I don't understand. Does it mean that she doesn't want you to be king?
Yes, it's obvious she doesn't want me to be king. You need to see the way she was talking to everybody, to Onowu. Like as if Onowu is a child. Now who can want to kill?
But Onowu could have cautioned her. Or doesn't he have a say in the palace anymore?
He doesn't have any say. He tried his best, he couldn't do anything. Lolo was just too powerful. Talking anyhow.
Onukube was he not there?
Onukube was there, he couldn't do anything. Before he could say anything meaningful, Lolo ended the meeting.
I knew it. I've always known that she hates our family.
Yes.
Why?
It's obvious. But don't worry, mother. I'm equal to the task. Anomia. Out of two things, one must happen.
But Mama, traditionally and in actual sense, who is supposed to be the king? Is it Brother Raymond or Michael?
Yeah, your brother, of course. In fact, your father was supposed to be the king before death took him away. Your brother is the one that should be king. The onions falls on him to be king. In fact, he's the king.
Then why is Lolo trying to twist or change tradition? Why?
Because she hates us. Haven't you heard me say it? She hates us. She hates our family. She doesn't want her brother to be king. Forget that her fake smile, as if she means it. She's a wicked person.
Imagine that stupid boy, Michael. Michael was pointing at me, telling me that I want to take his right. Imagine, he had the guts to.
You didn't beat him. You didn't beat him. You see what all that idiot on? Put her in his place.
DJ I'm a rich man. I can't be fighting with somebody. I know what.
Where police may arrest.
I know what.
Come on, pick up a camera.
Raymond wants to take what belongs to me. It will never happen. As far as I'm alive, it will never happen. I will kill him and bury him if he refuses to take his eyes off what belongs to me.
What did they say? Tell me what happened there.
You see that Onowu? I will kill him too. I will kill him and bury him as well. Can you imagine? When I got there, they said I should excuse them that I wasn't invited to the meeting.
What?
Yes.
Brother, was Lolo there?
Lola was there. She was there. She told Onowu that I was going nowhere.
That is right. No. I trust her.
I would have committed murder before now. Can you imagine? Raymond told Onowu to ask the guards to throw me out.
Yeah.
Me, more. I'm telling you.
He did that.
He did that.
Can you imagine?
I would have committed murder before now.
Hey, I hate that man with passion. Onowu, what you mad do? Onowu is so evil. And he's so evil. You mean that man is trying to twist the tradition because of money?
He can't do that. Since he don't even mention that, he can't do that while I'm still alive. He can't. See, I will kill somebody. I will destroy everywhere. More, Ojobodo. It can never happen.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, we're walking on one Oh no, they're supposed to be a custodian of the tradition. Just imagine. Ego. Instead of him to teach Raymond the tradition. He's there. Oh my God.
The man is evil.
Imagine evil. He's Ego. What? What are you doing?
Where's Michael?
Why are you looking for Michael? What happened? Huh? My husband said, where is Michael? Why are you looking for Michael? Answer him! Where is Michael?
Hold on. What is happening here?
Where's my money?
Which money?
The 2 million naira I gave to you. Give me my money.
Raymond, you are a madman. Illiteracy is a disease.
Will you keep quiet? Look at this one. Who are you calling an illiterate? Look at you. You that spent 4 solid years in the university and came out with nothing. You're calling my husband an illiterate. Do you have a certificate? I ask again, do you have a certificate? I'm sure you don't have, because if you had one, you would have secured a job for yourself.
Ruth, shut up your mouth. Ruth, you're just a shameless woman. So you mean you escorted your husband to my house to come take 2 million he gave to his mother a long time ago?
You're the one that is very shameless. You are stupid. No, I will not escort my husband. I will escort your husband. Look at them. Set of wretched people.
Hey, it is you. Yes, you. And your entire family are wretched. God punish you.
God punish you. Punish you. Punish your entire generation. Punish all of you. You people are stuck raving mad.
Let me go, man. I don't have time. Give me my money.
Okay. It's okay. Raymond, it's unfortunate that I've used the money.
Simple.
Thank you.
Thank you to cook my friend. Come here.
Did you have an accident or what? What happened? Huh?
Michael hit me.
What? Michael Merigini hit you? For what? Why would he do that?
Because I told him to give me back my money.
Just that. Because my husband asked him to give him his money. That's all. That was why he hit my husband like this. Mama, the battle line has just been drawn. Michael will see. He will see.
Brother, didn't you hit him back?
Of course you know my husband doesn't fight. He doesn't fight. But trust me, I made sure I dealt with the wife mercilessly. I did, oh. Blue, black, green, yellow, purple, everything. I made sure I dealt with her.
Wasn't Nkechi not there when all these things were happening? What did she do?
She was. She did absolutely nothing. She stood there and was moping like a fool. Nothing.
She did nothing?
Yes.
You went to ask for your money and she did nothing. The son hit you like this. Yabako Chalo. See, she will be there. She will see herself. What is this?
Just as my wife said, he has drawn the battle line. Bloody. When I start, it will be bloody.
Okay, enough. Okay, enough. Ogo mad we. Ogo mad we.
Sorry, sorry.
No problem.
No.
Michael! Where is Michael? Michael!
screaming my name like that? Why are you shouting my name?
Mike.
Huh?
It's you? What's it called? Start talking now.
You want to slap me?
What made you hit my son the way you did?
Madam, let me warn you. The next time you raise your hand and you want to slap me, I will not treat you like a woman. You hear me?
Leave my hand! Leave my hand. Want to beat me or what? Idiot! You want to break his hand? Nkechinyere, tell your son to give my son his money back. Let him return that money. My son said he doesn't want to give again. Give him back his money. Udochia. Ngozika. You are shameless. You mean you came here to drag money that Raymond willingly gave to Michael?
I wonder.
You are not ashamed of yourself? He said he wants his money back.
Did he beg him the money? Mama, you cannot slap me! Did you beg him the money? Please, calm down, eh? We don't have the money now. When we get it, we'll give it to you.
Go punish that your mouth.
Punish you!
Punish
your generation!
Punish you! Oh yeah, Ngozika, out of my compound. If I don't leave my house now, if I don't leave, what will you do? I will change it. I will change it for you. Hey! I can't find it, Tata.
Okay, let me answer it for him because it's obvious he cannot answer it because he doesn't know it. You can't give what you do not have. Michael, it was structured that way because our great king did not have a son. Okay? Assuming he had a son, his son would have become king. It's very simple. So because he didn't have a son, it fell on my father to be king. Okay? Unfortunately, my father also passed away. It fell on my father's son, which is me. Okay? My father had a son before he died. And a rich son.
Oh, yes.
Very important. Rich. Onyejife. That can do what is required of the person to do. Rich. So tell me, considering how this thing has been structured, why shouldn't that thing which was left for my father to take not be given to me? Tell me.
Raymond, this matter is very simple. Let us stop twisting it about. Just like Okoye here said, we are not in the law court. But let me educate you.